Blessed love everyone. You know that this is DJ Blue from Team Blue Entertainment Radio. You know, once I'm here, you know, it's time for that Dichillspot. And we're here with none other than the man himself, our upcoming star, which we are going to feature upon the Dichillspot. His name is RedTafaya. And you know, say, yo, we're going to be telling you everything that you want to know. And we just want to introduce the man to you. So if you're just logging in, if you're just chipping in, you can't go nowhere. Stay, because later on, the boss will be right. Yes, sir. You know that's something I got to. You know if you do? You know if you do? Yeah, man. You know we're here with the man himself, RedTafaya.
Right.
So, yeah, man. Blessed love. And we're happy to have you on the program, the Dichillspot. You understand me?
I'm going to give thanks. It's a pleasure, you know.
For real, man. So we want to introduce RedTafaya to the world, you know. So this is not even an interview with RedTafaya. We're not going to do the interview. We sit down and chill and have a vibes. Because, you know, drink and burn a weed and do the thing. But meanwhile doing that, we want the people to know a little bit more about RedTafaya.
Yeah, RedTafaya.
Where are you from?
Simply, you know, humble warrior. Straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. 4th Street, Rema to be exact. Trench Town, some would say, you know.
For real, man. Say I want to get to you them there.
Straight out of the ghetto.
So how was it growing up in the ghetto for you?
Regular ghetto lifestyle. Rough. You have to have ambition, you know. Get up and go. Do it. And nobody now do it for you. For survival of the fittest, though.
True. So how did you get, being in the ghetto, what inspired you to do music?
Wow, music came along, you know. Funny how it came along, because with so much other influence that was there, you know, so much options that you could quick for draw towards a ghetto youth. Yeah, it's funny how music came along. Music came along by watching, you know, Bridging vibes more time, and you see it. You get to love the vibes. Yes, the way how the art has been, you know, it's been revealed. Yeah, so you find out, we start love it from there. We never, you know, start DJ yet, writing a song or singing a song yet, but start loving it from there.
So if it wasn't music, what other option?
Sports.
So,
track and field to be exact.
So you're a runner bar.
You can call it so.
For real, man. So in the music industry, growing up in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Being from the ghetto, do you have any artists or persons that inspired you to start your career in music?
Yes, my first influence is actually a family member. Actually, being there live at one of his concerts, you know, after seeing the way how we had the audience, you know, it was very mesmerizing to me, you know. Yeah, it gave me goosebumps.
So if you don't mind me ask you, who are the family members that can call like them? Because we want to know the history.
Yeah, the one other, none other than Dada, Super Cat himself, you know. Big up the general.
People, when you hear that? Super Cat family, this is the building. So yes, you know, so this is a star from birth. You understand me? For real, man. So
the general, man.
So at what age you break in the dance or start recording?
Start recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Start recording perhaps about 10, 12 years ago. Professionally. About 10, 12 years ago. You know, and it has been a journey since.
So what was the experience with your first song that you recorded?
The first song. It was a good reaction, a very good reaction. As if should, not if, should the world should take the time out and get to know RedTafaya a little better. They'll come to see that I'm more like a revolutionary individual, you know. And after voicing that first song, the response was very good. It was very pleasing, enough to motivate me to continue.
So, if you don't mind drop in a piece of the first song that we record, the first official recording. So that the people them know say yo at this, let them hear your voice out there.
Dirty wicked now no heart. Them so merciless. Them drink the people blood like a vampire. Jamaica government, you're so merciless. You're worse than all the slave master. The wicked now have no heart. Oh, them so brutal. Like them love to see the youths, them a go under. Because them full of dirty heart, full of dirty thought. Why the crime rate can't get no lesser? Come look ya, hey, Jamaica land we love. Just not what it was. Corrupted politicians make our lives so furious. Poor people suffering, and it's a terrible thing. The conditions that a lot of us be living in. So much we tolerate, we not go take no more. Expect the worst because a revolution is for sure. And that's just how it is. It's so unfortunate. But what you give is what you get. So dirty wicked now no what?
You hear that? The first recorded single from the man himself, RedTafaya.
Done,
and after that first song, how did your career trended from that point, from the first song till now?
Yes. Well, like I said before, it has been a journey, not an easy one, of course. Cause if I want to really know how this music business really going, if you come with righteousness and I defend equal rights, it's gonna be a little rougher than the one where I gonna come sing the bag of boogie yaga and take off your clothes and bust him brother head and them little thing there. You know, as we all know, sex sells, badness sells too. Yeah, old time people used to say, Pitney always I say, but righteousness being good is too boring. You know, so everybody will quick to gravitate to what is negative. So our journey is not an easy journey. Yet still we not give in. You know, we're gonna
and that point you just made,
for
real man. And that point you just made about doing conscious content for people out there. You understand me? To uplift and build a nation. Because I think that's what you're saying to us right now.
Yes.
Would you ever detour from that and go sing some song on that gal and all of them something? Is that your persona or?
No.
Alright.
No. You would never see.
And if you have to if you have to give, like, you don't have to, you know, but if you want to comment on what's going on in the scene now, in dancehall, and reggae music, what would you say to the youths now that is doing it?
Well, to the youths of today now, the ones that are coming in this business, if it's dancehall, clean up your act, clean up on the sound, clean up on the words. The outer world is looking down on most of your intellectual levels. You feel me? You find out, say, when you come out and I sing all these derogative songs, I degrade woman, and I tell your little brother saying, I go bust him, because he might violate, he might style the thing, so to speak. Yeah, I'm totally against it, and I would advise any upcoming artists today to derail from that negative, you know, all that negativity out of the dancehall. I mean, if I want to come do reggae right now, you don't necessarily have to wonder if he's going to be singing something that is acceptable to, you know, whether he's a young child or a grown adult, you know what I say? So you don't have to worry another ear. You have to just know, say, alright, reggae, how you mean?
Any day you can listen to it.
Yeah, any day, at any given moment. But presently speaking right now, the genre of dancehall is kind of, you know, unacceptable to I and I. Yeah.
And on that note, we want to go back in your past, because sometimes to make stuff fun, you know, we want to let people out there know as much as possible the serious part and the fun part of RedTafaya, right? So growing up in the ghetto RedTafaya, we know Jamaican people always get a nickname. Yeah? So what was your nickname growing up in the streets as a youth?
In the streets? I was called Little Kirk going to school, and you know, I was born in Kingston, but I left the streets of Kingston at an early age because of the regular corruption of political warfare.
Okay.
And my grandfather moved the family from Kingston to St. Ann. So I went to Ocho Rios Primary.
Yeah.
From there to Ocho Rios High School. Yeah, we run up and down on the track a little, you know.
Yes, for you.
So you know, they call us Little Kirk. Not us. The team called me Little Kirk
and why?
At the time.
And why you got that name, Little Kirk?
I'm always little.
But the Kirk?
The Kirklan.
Oh, your name,
Kirklan.
your
My name is Kirklan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now I get it, because normally we get a name, Jamaicans normally associate a name with a person by, so them call, if the head look like breadfruit, them call it breadfruit head or banana head. You understand me? So I thought you would be coming up with a name like this. Well,
a name like that, I actually got that name after Little Kirk by some different individual after track and field.
What was that name?
That name still is, Bones. And as you can see, you know, I'm a small-bodied individual. Yeah, we're good is small, you know.
For real, man. Because this point, the people can know that you're not just coming here and just sitting. You know, you're sharing with them and having a vibes and chilling, man.
Natural,
Understand me?
Natural.
At this point in music, now we want to focus on the music and your musical career, where it is now. Do you have collaboration with any artists out there?
Not as yet. The intention is there. Not as yet. I have one particular one with a beautiful empress, goes by the name of Empress Chai. She has a beautiful voice, and she did a single for a particular virgin, Bobla. Big up yourself. Bobla used to play for Sizzla, keyboard player, yeah. And he's presently now an entrepreneur, of course, and a big producer, and I think to him small way.
So that song there.
Yeah.
That song there. We on a stage show, you know, but we like to give the people them a small performance so them feel like, you know.
Yeah.
So that song that you did the combination with the lady, right? Can you give us a small piece, like, you know?
Well, naturally, the song is titled It's Me. She's singing about being herself, of course, you know. So my part of that go, my sister, go and be yourself, not be nobody else. Nothing they can do to break your confidence. You want clean them for know that is no pretense. So if I want to violate that, oh man.
You see it.
You see it. Been a while.
You understand me? So it's just giving a pre. You understand me? So if you want to listen to the song, you can always just go go in the comment here. We'll be leaving a description down there so you can get the link them down the song. You understand me? So now, RedTafaya, more you promote your album. If you have an album, promote your tracks and promote yourself so the people know where to find you.
Presently now, right now. Yeah. We'll be releasing an EP 29 of this month, October 2021, titled, self-titled, that is, RedTafaya, The Unpredictable. It's a 4-track EP, and it will be available on all social media platforms, and you know the works. And it has been produced by Janai Record. Yeah, big up yourself, my general, Major Banks, Black Eximo. Yeah, give thanks, you know. And it is a small but very powerful, interesting EP, and I would advise for you to go and check it out. Yeah man, RedTafaya, self-titled, RedTafaya, The Unpredictable.
So where on social media can we find you? Because
it will be, well, you can find me on my YouTube page.
And what's the name?
RedTafaya. Instagram, RedTafaya Music. Facebook, RedTafaya. And also will be available on Spotify and etc. You know, the rest of them. But make sure we touch all of them, you know, reach out every corner, every area. Yeah,
so what else can we expect from RedTafaya for 2022?
Much more. Righteous music. Yeah, motivational music, inspirational music. Yeah, Blue, we come for uplift for people. Too much of this, you know. Yeah. And not only politician alone who come for burn around here. RedTafaya address some of my brother and sister them around here. Wanna cut it out. Too much derogative.
And drop one of them bad songs they know off of the EP, make the people in here want go on.
For she say she can't bother with him. Can't take no more of the lifestyle she living. Say she fed up of the old empty kitchen and the half done house and make she feel like breaking down. Sometimes she feel like tripping. Find a new woman and run and go a foreign. And say she want to do some champagne popping, some island hopping in a small Caribbean town. Cause she tired of the broke life. And say she tired of the broke life. She can't fed up of this a broke life. So she tell him he better find himself a new wife. Cause she tired of the broke life. And say she tired of the broke life. Can't take no more of this a broke life. So she tell him he better find himself a new wife. And she not really want to desert him. But it's been a while she's been struggling. Many times it gets so frustrating. She not hate him but feel like she hate him. Time for your rise and make a change. Cause your lifestyle want rearrange. You can't sit around like no clown. Can't make no man come in our life and break it down. Cause she tired of the broke life. And say she tired of the broke life. She can't fed up of this a broke life. So she tell him he better find himself a new wife. Yes, I.
And that was the man himself, RedTafaya, live on Team Blue Entertainment, which is a chill spot. And blessed love for being here with us.
Man, indeed, and I do give thanks.
Blessed
Rastafarian,
love.
you know. Blessed love to the world. Look out for RedTafaya. Blessed love.